Hello everyone, welcome back to Edomania. Till now, we have seen the basic of integration, trigonometric function, exponential function, and currently we have studied method of substitution, in which we have seen three forms. Now today lecture we will solve some questions that will help you to understand how we can use method of substitution to solve some questions. So, so first question is that 4x plus 2x square plus x plus 2. Here all these questions you have to apply your thought, you have to develop your thought what we have to put, and after differentiation what we have. Always try to understand what you will assume, and after differentiation what you will get, it is approximately similar to the rest of the terms. Like here we can see that x square plus x plus 1, this term x square plus x plus 1, if we differentiate we have 2x plus 1. And here also 4x plus 2, if we take 2 common we have 2x plus 1. So this type of stuff and thought you have to create while solving integration, because you don't get all the rules for every questions. You have to apply that. Mathematics is all about. Now here we will put x square plus x plus 1 equal to z. After differentiation we have 2x plus 1 dx equal to dz. So now put this. If we take 2 common we have 2x plus 1, under square root we have x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now 2x plus 1 dx we can write dz, and this term we have assumed z. So it becomes square root of z and dz, because this term and this term combining and making dz. So here we will write dz. So it becomes 2 integration of z to the power 1 by 2 dz. So it becomes 2 z to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 dz. So final answer becomes, this becomes 3 by 2 means 2 by 3, 4 by 3 z to the power 3 by 2 dz. We have the answer of this integration. But the last step is that, sorry, dz not plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So last step is that we have to convert this z with the original value. So original value is x square plus x plus 1. So it becomes 4 by 3 x square plus x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer of question number first. Now the next question is that we have to find the integration of 1 by x minus square root of x dx. We can't solve directly. So what we do, we will take square root of x common. So here we will left with square root of x into square root of x becomes x, minus square root we have take it out. So here we have left only 1 dx. So now you have to apply your mind what we suppose and what we will get after differentiation. If we take only for square root of x equal to z, after differentiation we will get 1 by square root of 2x. So if we get x, then after differentiation we will have square root of 2x dx, here we will dz. So this term we have assumed, but this term we are not getting with dx. So it's not beneficial for us to take this as z. But now if we suppose square root of x minus 1 equal to z, so after differentiation we have 1 by square root of 2x dx dz. So this term we have assumed. After differentiation 1 by square root of x dx, 1 by square root of x dx becomes dz. So this type of smart work we have to do while solving integration problem. So we will put this term, we will have this. Now integration of, put 1 by square root of x dx, 1 by square root of x dx means 2 goes on the right hand side. So it becomes dx upon square root of x, this becomes 2 times of dz. So it becomes, this term we have assumed z, so it becomes 1 by z, this 2 times of z. So 2 we will write outside the integration dz. So it becomes 2 log of z plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Alright, final term we will replace this z by their original value, that is square root of x minus 1 plus c. So this is the final answer. Now the next question. Next question is that you have to find the integration of x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 x to the power 5 dx. Whenever you will get a term whose power is in the fraction, always you will assume this term, means that term having the power, that will always be assumed into the another variable. So here we will put x cube minus 1 equal to z. After that we will take differentiation, it becomes 3x square dx equal to dz. So now here this term you have assumed means z to the power 1 by 3, alright. It becomes x square dx equal to 1 by 3 dz, means you need only x square with the dx to convert this, but here you will have x to the power 5, means you will left with x to the power 3 and x square dx becomes 1 by 3 dz. Okay, we will write 1 by 3 outside, we have left 1 by 3 x cube dz. Now you have to change this x in the term of z, so we will use here x cube minus 1 equal to z we have assumed. So similarly we will find x cube equal to z plus 1, no doubt. So the next term becomes, it will become 1 by 3 integration z to the power 1 by 3 and x cube we will write z plus 1 dz. So we will have this term. Now it's become very easy for us. 1 by 3 integration of z to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by means 4 by 3 plus z to the power 1 by 3 dz. Now separate these two terms, it becomes z to the power 4 by 3 dz plus integration z to the power 1 by 3 dz. Now 1 by 3 z to the power 4 by 3 means z to the power 4 by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 by 3 plus 1 plus z to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. You have to write this constant of integration at every question that you will have in your examination. Now 1 by 3, 4 by 3 plus 1 means 7 by 3, it becomes 3 by 7 z to the power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 4 by 3, it becomes 3 by 4 z to the power 4 by 3 plus c. Now multiply this 3, it becomes 1 by z to the power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 z to the power 4 by 3 plus c. So this is the answer that we have converted. Now the next step is we have to convert this z term in the original term, means in the term of x. So we have assumed z equal to x cube minus 1. We have assumed z equal to x cube minus 1. So we will put x cube minus 1 in the place of z. So we have 1 by z x cube minus 1 to the power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 x cube minus 1 to the power 4 by 3 plus c. So this is our final answer. I hope till now you will get a basic idea how you will solve method of integration. Now next question is that you have to find the integration of e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by e to the power 2x plus 1 dx. That is very important question, see carefully. Now whenever you will get this question, you will have to make this old term in a similar power. Either it could be negative or positive, doesn't matter, but you have to make it in a equal power. Now here is the power of 2x, here is the 1 means power 0. So what we do, we will divide numerator and denominator by e to the power x. This type of stuff you will say how we can apply your mind like when, what we have to. So this type of stuff you will get when you do practice. Mathematics is all about practice. So you will do a lot, you have to solve a lot more question. Whatever you can do, you have to solve those questions to get this type of stuff. Whenever you will see a question, you have to hit a trick what we do in that question. So whenever you will get this, you will have to make all the term equal power, positive, negative, doesn't matter. Now we will divide numerator and denominator by e to the power x. So what we have, e to the power 2x divided by e to the power x. So we will have e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x, means we can write e to the power minus x. Similarly, e to the power 2x divided by e to the power x, it becomes e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x, we can write e to the power minus x. So now here see carefully, whenever you will get a term like this, means only for the sign is changes, numerator and denominator only sign changes. And if you get an idea, if you take this, if suppose this term if you get and assume this is another variable, and after differentiation you will get this, means when you are able to get, you will suppose a denominator to the another variable, okay, and when you differentiate this denominator and you will get numerator, after differentiation you will get numerator, you will directly write log this denominator part. Similarly, if you don't believe this, like we will put e to the power x plus e to the power minus x equal to z. This denominator term we have assumed another variable. Differentiate this e to the power x plus e to the power minus x into minus 1 dx equal to dz. So here we have e to the power x minus e to the power minus x dx equal to dz. Means this whole term, you can replace this whole term as dz. Any doubt? And this denominator you have assumed another variable z. So you know dz by z is log of z plus c, and after you will replace z by the value in the term of x plus c. So whenever you will get a term like this, when you are able to get, we take the denominator into the another variable, and after differentiation you will get the numerator term, you will directly write log denominator. Got it? Okay, we will see one more question that will help you to understand. Now next question, integration of e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x divided by e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x dx. When you get a term like this, maybe you will shocked and you will confuse how you can handle this question. That's looking very complicated, but here you can see that you are able to find out when you take here firstly all the e term having the same power 2x 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 2x, positive negative, it's doesn't matter. Now you can able to see that if you take this and when you get the differentiation of denominator, you will get numerator with dx. So in this term you can see that e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x by 2 got cancelled. So this term you can directly write. So e to the power 2x means 1 by 2, obviously it will be common. Now directly what you will write log this, means denominator e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x plus c. If you go through the procedure, then put e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x equal to z. So it becomes e to the power 2x divided by 2 plus minus minus e to the power minus 2x divided by 2 dx equal to dz. Means 1 by 2 you will take it out, e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x dx equal to dz. Okay. Now this term e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x dx equal to, sorry, is a 2 in the multiplication. So 2, it will go here 1 by 2 dz. So you can write e to the power 2x minus e to the minus 2x dx equal to 1 by 2 dz, 1 by 2 dz, and it becomes z. So 1 by 2 procedure से second method, it becomes dz by z, and as we know that it becomes log of z plus c, and then put the value of z. So it's very important, and this type of question you will get many times. Also this type of question you will get in the term of sine and cos. So you will have to apply your mind whenever you will get denominator as another variable, and after differentiation you will get the numerator, you will directly write this term. Is it okay? So that's it for today lecture. Thanks for watching.